but one or person or hine dying a dying for most so I'm dying my hine. Now I'm the update on it, Abba. Where is our match, Mr. Bogu?
Yeah, Nkwantabisa made you so now to say.
About the Adom Dania Busiana, so what to say?
Yamina do Kakaka here.
A crater, what you bay, more update ye. A day now, more person public knew what aroma.
You, I Nkwantabisa with you, I mess after when you so. And must Sompa TV, any at Yapuna, Idamati Bibre. This is the time I must have a second time. Abra, maybe the rule, na media education and a sensitization. No, media said I can see upon the map some part of Butia. Mina, only the Rosabuza, Ubizamia. I would say, and yet, Bonnie. So, Bekaya, some about a month ago, somewhere 25th February. Rent Control Department of Ghana, under my directive, he issued statement to say, if you grew a BBRA or did not hire, I will say within 7 days, a bra one tenant aqua agreement, I said with me, issue rent card, which is mandatory. Now, 1 year, I was switching and landing mount. Now, your boss had the woman, and my new idea about could be said. O mamuha eye landlord for o maso nyedin bako ohwe ankeka ene anigye ne ahotoso a omokọ rent control offices o majoni queue obi e pe card na e kamia koye say education na enye adwuma engagement enye adwuma. So I thought say as a human leader, as somebody who believes that I listen, and for that matter in my first insight because medicine bosuminsia ato and maybe education. Now okay, me first directive no because April 1 meeting form na my will be few na babisa say osaka okada na I never said me the tax force even for so be on April 1. But upon all that I think my words were being construed so much that they thought I was going to bring people or task force to enforce it right away. It's been bad be a statement sometime. Then I corrected that statement, And about 4 days ago, landlord for associations back home, our crowd. Emma, me no more bonko. And Brand said it here. And in Fasua rent card.
Sompa FM.
Register tenancy agreement within 14 days.
Okay.
Abra. When they crack and only landlord agent I was so register with tenancy agreement by law. It minya church mumu. Amomuti say. Omudase. It come in chinko check akra. Na komo so emubo mo amane no munye de mra ne tie no. We ni mabi mu say landlord for asonye den. Na say o church mumu a omobeti ase.
Yeah.
And we so and I can say to show commitment to landlords in this country about what rent control is doing, about the reforms, any commitment, any collaboration as stakeholders, there was a need for rent control to be listing entity or institution. Based on that, and I issue statement way. I can't tell landlord for what the say since last 25th February, up to now, I am overwhelmed. I'm happy, and I am satisfied to some extent. At least they have shown adherence, and for that reason, I am moving back to 1 month, May 1, and after May 1, I will come out. But coming out, is never to even bring the task force.
Okay.
For the task force, I will keep on educating, and by 6 months' time, somewhere September, I Kwame trust me. But then I'm coming full force with that fever of fears, and I will make sure that people who are recalcitrant,
Sompa FM.
What statement na about Pontina? I will name you. Let me find you so kind to my before landlord and a tenant. Who are study says we are landlord now the dam will be. Nasa within the sika. Oman tenancy agreement. Oman the receipt. Within 14 days now, Kim you and manager will say, what the tenancy agreement now, what the rent control now be register. Wait, any me who say, so who two tenants now? Any plan for an and as a tenants no do now the bar a did
yeah.
It will be same make sure say, oh, be better or more, my way landlord. What the dam will be except for that. So, one tenancy agreement. A Germany, dear Ben, and Quantabusa or ya, what to I don't ubit me, I cannot see. It is yet, they say, you have modernizing rent control. We are reforming rent control to a modern rental administrative system and institution. That will help us to digitize rent control fully. In that sense, what the rent card in the bar, what the tenancy agreement in the bar, the best can it, near taking notes, near register all landlord and also, near register tenants now or 2 years or no. It is so doing landlord to be a specific landlord number. Tenant to be a number of Ghana. But you are tasked for a number. It's a book computer now. Information every P. That's a Uya DB tenant name. Now also yenya na sadi go so batia now we can flag you red say we know bia ye ma odan ye e o man mu because o man landlord for ninje o ka we na boma ye ye nkaibo eni aseda na me de man landlord for eni asutie eni odo a o ma kire say ampa o be di bra so no eni tura ma rent go do ene epu one no ya hwa ko me one dey tuma hwe say bi tuma du kuta ho mo.
It is Metiasia from now going there, public education and sensitization. Anna Moye.
Because my can't say, here is the fact say, Emlana Ache, 1963 or something years ago. It will be bring say in your rent laws. That's why they were flouting it. And Lutina almost maybe a landlord or one to them. Only say also about rent control.
Sompa FM.
Now, yes, in a swunty, I would put anymore. If you know, we should give them the benefit of the doubt. More to the point, at a point, you make it a bit flexible for people to comply, not to hang it on their truth and suffocate them.
I think that they are bad occurred there. I saw bua about 400 more person, or more enyam number, the modin como. What do you say, sir? Aside or more the dynamic high landlords in a one or if you rough one, tenants and so 8 years.
But it turns here.
I also comply, almost as soon as they send you the old landlords for our buzzing.
They ask now. We expect to say very soon on your announcement. Every tenant that we're gonna be, I don't know. You put a portal, you register yourself on your phone, possibly, and that automatically, we will get the information of a fear room because the person who said any landlord who does not report the number of tenants you have, it is an obligation and mandatory. So the tenant themselves, will now take their phone and register themselves and get their tenant number. Based on that, the people say tenant almost comply, but now the mechanism say that we a tenant and map say over fee 1 month I won't share the danka. So a boss 1 month landlord will probably be allowed also without any reason. Me mama yare, me papa yare, me tip no way. It's I'm expecting say tenant supposed to name so now landlord head over rent control when you them. What did the car 1 month? Men in the car, Shanika. Ade ba ko am nanem pekwa ota ma so be twa landlord ka now o to ne marane e ye we na Nkwantabisa e kam ya kwa ese landlord for e dan e ma 6 months and a short tenant now e ye headache more because obedanka na kam ya kwa ese investment on ye no o ya bregu we na me fi say e ha timam for we ha landlord for ye po over the years, the same private landlords we move, and I made that him who see Neam Cafe. It's young from Ramesho come and hang over my tenant. South young landlord go and hang a tenant to crucify them. We will make sure that the law apply equally to both landlords and tenants to make sure that the rent laws of the Republic of Ghana suffice.
For for an officer over decades. Yenya commissioners they say waba na adwuma ho so manya data of a year adanya currently Ghana betima ka say be from Ghana Statistical Service ya census no mutimi de buy say e de ma han.
Oh yes, I think say a reference document. I know say okay, Ghana Statistical Service omo renters, omo owners is there. And the number of units where they hide but unfortunately it's a reference document. So I have to make time and reference rather. But I know say but the minimum say Ghana ye tenants you more than 11 million tenants. Ghana
Conform hide dan kwa
11 to 18 million tenants. Simple. So what the both residential and a commercial become one. And the name say apart from Obia hide because so what you done office in Yawodia. What you done store now would you want in Yawodia. What you done the store now just now the year in Yawodia.
Yeah.
The same law of rent law and it regulated both commercial tenancy and residential. No matter what. It means that virtually so what you done a dominant store in Yawodia to a tenant. So you understand say Ghana, we are virtually all tenants, apart from those within the age bracket of 0 or 1 to let's say 17 or 16. From then, either you are a tenant in one way or the other. But I know, say, the we need protect a 8 and high dying. Means you are making a 9 and high dying. So we are talking about 90% of the active population of the country, which inquire between 1 to 16 or 17. The Akano, the Ghana almost about 32. But we 10 million to man, and 21, 90% behind. That is the analysis I can give you.
Is opoko asana ma mo akono boa mi we ye wo age minimum age ya beka so we age we de wudru a wutimi behind dan.
Oh, we need this, because it's about your ability to afford. And for me in Ghana, it's about you are mature when you are 18. So anybody who has left home, either legally from the parents, irrespective of what he does, now with my there is no limit or age. But at least reasonably, 5-year-old child, 7-year-old child cannot go and rent. Because that person is minor, and that it is not right. Maybe he has been kidnapped, maybe he has run away out of something. So you cannot imagine say a 5-year-old boy or girl or a 10-year-old boy or girl will come and say we will seek up when you are behind dying. What work does he do? If that person any income, what is the legitimacy? That is questionable. If anybody of age,
Sompa FM,
17 or 16 years, this is 16 years, 15 downwards, and all considered as what minors. And for that matter, though they can rent, nobody can blame them. Nobody can fault them rather. But it is important say, and say with that age, how is he going to raise money to rent that or rent? We now a suspicion. In any case, landlord who are a obligation under the immigration laws. So what did that have? A Juma Ben or who is this person? And yes, there was a Namakeke. We quite extra say at some age, you should define who come to live in your property. Therefore, as a minor or bar is questionable. So Obi was the kind of a minor who stop. Now behind that manner, because of open car. No one will question her. How did you come here? The person should question. It's in the announcement there. We don't give room anyhow of late because of Sikapenti. A Camilla Koya say, landlord the Bema, on baby, so you comfort, so we are so you medra, so you would do nothing. He didn't say the physical. So it's a kind of planning, and that is why I'm going to say, may the letter Akoma Comptroller General, Immigration, may the letter Akoma all the that is needed. Nobody can say, may the letter call Bank of Ghana for the dollarization. Say, no more rent control to make a car. More as part of tenant rent issues. By the grace of God, Bank of Ghana, I'm responding. I'm going to do it. And now, the letter come Chief Justice, and then by 10 o'clock, rent control department, Ebeshia, the Chief Justice through the Judicial Secretary. It means that the engagement is ongoing. Buy-in we are seeking for is ongoing. And we are leaving no stone unturned until we make sure the rent laws of the Republic of Ghana is enforced and applied and complied with without any hesitation and with full force to get it done.
All right, Mr. Opoku Anapai, my nase, I hear for near tea for Janadase. Yera, Frederick Opoku, and acting rent control commissioner. Our Ghana ha Anapai update on the rent card, some of the things are. Omun say also public, you know, ete Anapai on also Ade Babat Meko. Kwame Atenase na me koda me ka enra Abra His Excellency John Dramani Mama Asia CSO no da and some teaching tell the bebre Lincoln University PA honoring doctorate honorary nyina okay ya BC the current issue ekoso the current issue ekoswa that of acquiring road construction ne sole sourcing amun kam so Ghana we Canada na we Canada everybody kura some are calling for a debate some dem fit friends in one program a sister station organize up a debate with Sulemana Brahma who is also a journalist that no kwasem ne say we have to take assembly from a perspective holistically you make to me dealing with it asama Suleiman Ekan, is it true or not? You see, it's good sometimes to defend your party and all that, but no kwasemi woman the itemization there are name young Brahma bit men wrong go any part. But so big of a document no say Senate, this is what I saw. It's a matter of say who explain that channel. And I think that John Dramani Mama ya dear pa. What taxi
Sompa FM.
A minister Kwame Govins must say omun kodom goshem no responding. Now let's listen to His Excellency.
It's legal under certain circumstances, and while sole sourcing is legal under certain circumstances under our current procurement law, would all agree that open, transparent tenders are always preferable for achieving competitive pricing and value for money. Although we've seen snippets of the investigation from the media, I've instructed my office to obtain the full detailed report from the Fourth Estate and to conduct a study of the various allegations presented in the report. We're also requesting the Ministry of Roads and Highways to present a detailed response to those allegations made therein in order to inform government's action on the matter.
So, we are far away this year. Other ones, no. Kwame Anope Marchi.
Obeni me Joso.
Ompom to say.
About the other Roma, me hoye, Nedi Uncle for ye, and come hoye, papa. Obeni, Anopa idea, Trika Semu, Nakase, Mahofa, Quasemni, Jetiatro.
Say that be a uba.
Why
uba. That be the better own mammy side you.
Why you feel
that's also why you
it just
ayo.
Now, why the styles are opening? Oh, Benny, where did you say the alcohol? Oh, Benny. Benny,
the beer mission.
Oh, Benny, Miss Say, and net the beer mission. Yes. But you warfare. Obedi, if you ever go there.
Dabia do Kwame Boko. Ken of African print Boko Bibia Damu Boko.
Merena ho.
Aden.
Otuado.
Wasa ko fo to ado asawa. Wasa ko fo to ado asawa. Abraje mapam na wie. Mo problem pa. They say mapam na wie mo problem pa.
Otuado ababehwa ho papa.
I'm say, maja ne kwan. Efia chinsu ni abufunu.
Sen kodi ekoji World Cup. Kodi ekoji World Cup.
You bati. The other mu yo no koji World Cup.
But of course say
mujidi so.
Na me hu formation the tactics are no born World Park no so. Cause now say players na obo force obo home dey say this time round the enje ni mguase. Em pese Ghana for be kase asa. you know, we yeah, one body about game. Anyway, Kwame, ma the edika advance that ma your boss or the assassin or no, and I dino. The ade chance so my young kwa hodin wo mu a na wo say ye de na seda ema no de to so mi no so
Sompa FM.
ame na asia kwanya wo de ama me say me ne Ghana fo ye ni nkomo na fe de to so ye san so me na Ghana fo nyina nso ase sa ade achi omode omo kasamfo nyine ni omo kasa fidie ndi ato Sompa TV Sompa FM omo join ye wo Facebook ni omo adwen chiro omo de ba YouTube nso. Papa, we really appreciate them this morning. Say, woman attending in on television, on radio. When you are, I mean, Chammy Chrome come down so for.
Say, matters of be a hotel.
Pa, Nyagro. Say, hotel none of Pamedichron. Now, the mammy real honey say, Kwame. Penny for hold wa homachia penny kesi be frame.
Okay.
So be business be no bisa me say Kwame, how far have you come up with business na person me no be no? Because the last time be me rush call Kwame down so ekoye feasibility studies eni o ma bi me fiefo obi ehu me namfofo obi ehu me abusuafo obi ehu me obi anteme nka because na me kwa kope ehunu de ebi wo ho no me a ebitumi aboa. Na Kwame no kwasem ne se me nka no kora nkyire John Dramani Mahama NDC asiedu nketia fifi kwete ene ye MP se omo ama ye ka echi dodo na ye MP Kwame Twumasi ambofo mia me bra peni no oye me nua related ono me ba na asem so me ba be di no ho nkomo dabi ne brefoforo me catch up mo say they have taken the people of Kwame Danso for granted for far too long. More nyini se sebi Kwame Danso for ye koto aba ye nyini. More nyini se sebi Kwame Danso for ye nim nyansa. More nyini se sebi Kwame Danso for ye nim de ye. We've had enough of development. No mama na buoyant sa akoko no. We've had enough of that. Johnson ati du nketi ananu ya okopie mu Kwame Danso ko di nkomo ko kasaye me mamo ati ase ni NDC for say sebi o enya jimi for ye were learned people mu free Kwame Danso a eno mu gina brane na me mo bia din kra nipa ba ko pe me boni din se mu ati Franco Trading Enterprise a openi Franco ofiri mi krom ti development na mo ma ne nkoso wo hodom no mo haye mo tete yon penifo akukuda mo firi ho but a time will come, a day will come, I be di hon komo ti na de we de ye di fam keke mo tete ya pa mo higher pa Kwame kwan nye 2011 a mills e ko ball aso wo ho besi ne time bia ye ka ekwan nye light entumi nyina na so 5 hours wo Kwame Danso network nye djuma nsuo nye djuma bibia nya djuma wo ho aden district I didn't know who be free 1980 something ade I mean fan chiro ye bebe no so na obeni minia rent commissioner and some no dey tudwa no na kwasem ne say adwuma ne anamo mutu no eso ani eye pa because we've come too far say landlord be accommodate tenants a omumu ade na tenants nso be absorb landlords omumfa nipa nyehwe enti se saa emrai ne nhyehyeye ne na montuo yi eba ebeboa nti wo ye landlord na wo de bia wo de wo fie ma han wo ne tenant fo nya asem ene sei adechie sei choka de bia wo ne omoko a na de bia nso rent control for receive complaint e de fawo saa particular landlord no ho a eye pass ye de red light e de two din ho nti obi e ko pedan na sunwane no ko pedan onye wura mu pe sunwane a na ohun se wo fie e wo honom ya wo de ma han but red line bi da wo so se onni suban se bi wo ha adwen wo titi tenant for se wo de suban ekuta wo de twika enya na nipa na fa ne ho adwen no ohun se wo fie ho metena ho nti wuna wasi wo fie so wo nko a wo de wabusuafo betena ho because say suban ekuta wo do enye enunti sika wo pese onya di odan wasi ho no onya wonsan kasa sika no ti di obeya ne se ne wo ne wo fiefo se obenya mmoa so wo ho ana wanye o mo na ne o matena. The same way to tenants for ni bin so a wo mo ha dwen etiti fiewrafo wo mumua de o misa cement border nenso nanum kasa tantantan o misa cement border nenso ni suban a order na di awo fie honom de kire fiewrafo no asset sebe o ono ne kire fiewra no so wonsi dan no mfa ma no ono me high fie no ntinem airtime a bon kan airtime a bon kan enya baako sei sa tenant for no so okotena ha onim se efia bubu nti no okotena ha no ma eti ne suban bone no akoda na di no odi nsem huna yetu na obenya babi foforo akotena no asan akoda ne suban na dia nsem hunu saa omprefie onye fie hwi entokosem konkonsa de emfa no ho no okasa nti wo saa for no so no se yehu rent control for so hu se usuban a woda na didi kire fie wurafo ni saa dodo no now also the red line to wo honum say pio nti wo be pedan wo fiewura bi ho a ntem so na fiewura akwa search wo details hu say asimasi wo ba be permit dan say no sitie ne standing wo baby a watena no te say onya hu red line ne pe no hu say asimasi wo bentin me man kwan ma ne betena me fie ha wo be ha me because red line dan din ase. Kwame, it is a good call, a good step, and a good decision. Rent control for Edeba. Nebe boa aboa timemu for aboa yenyina. Na efie bia obekomu a wonya sumdie, efie bia obekomu a ye Awurade Yesu Kristo. Ne mabeye 20 something. Ne mabeye 10. Ne mabeye 5 or high dan na susu ni ban a oda na dia se fie ni ye ne dia. Or the agifie na boso mfo bia nya hwi wo fie ho yen kanasem ada yen kanasem maame yen kanasem no Kwame, it is a good call and a good decision. And I think sensitization in education no almost what be no Kwame we di omama no nkwa achi ba ne nye se ya extended date no na enua no
Sompa FM
be going to radio stations TV stations to TV stations NCC for Kwame yenhu omoso mfaso ne na obeti omudi nko a na teze bia ye ba beto aba na wo mo de yidi nam kromu kwe abato obre na so abato obre na no nko a na omo kwakoye no ye nyusu omo ye mo munye djuma na omo nante ye nkronkro ne miamia hodo mo dawuro enye education ye organize forum ahodo ne matimemfo mra wa wonti asemasi bra be bisa wa wo adwenkyire bi fabra ni nyina na mpenifo age na omo de akwakogu table na nim na fe de ye papa no ye de agu nkrata so ne ye da ne mra yenye ne sa na emmoa yen if you say fiewrafo ni be take advantage of say onna sini denti no oye obibia emfa no ho sanso en attendant for no so take advantage say utu no kura obenya dan ba bia akwakotenanti no ono so emfa ho sa suban fo na two parties ni yeda na di no ni ajai because ubekwa kotena fie bi mu no if you run a person hyemra ma kinkina twanze Kwame tama obeda nyina opeso hwem if you run a person hyemra ma chinchini twanze tama wo se ayi amanfo besesa bola nyina opeso kiro
na konye de obeda na o disturb ya da tenants ani ende obo ma if you run for and say be ada ku bi no kan be we dey bia
if you run for to be
I know ya roba
to be shemra to the extent that Kwame ni be bia o di no be fi ono be report for more
na obi be wuto ano ende madam fu fi re bi o se akwa bi tin fi o betu na da ya da bia o de get foforo ba nam se ti get na o de ba ho ne ha wa adwan na o se o da bi ade ba akwa ha na adwen pa nse guess no de ba ohodo obi be wu ano ende o se on a young guy was so de nkeja ba akubi na ka ne ntete akwa almost every week
e dey view ra na ba kire young guy say your money bra
or the two foforo ba e brand new
sa e view ra for no bi so Kwame ya no money wo mu o
ah mo dan so wa ba crash order o se o ba de so o bol
Kwame e view ra no bi wo tenant for no be ba rebe it is who say wo be ma di we che ba fi a oyiwa months mo be two no Kwame u ya se awa ba ro ba dwere ho sa awon ti ase
ya century ni ba akoko han fie bi na fie no ko han no camera CCTV bo ba bia bo ba bia enti yeso wa ni fie ra no abruchi no afre me hu se ge bia bi dan dia you was camera de ba be si corridor di room no be room de ya na o she de wudi one room no ko ra Fiora yasa unya so onti ase ti also ko na young girl bi ho don't ani get ni din komo pa ada o ade Fiora na friend adai oye no ka so in century ni adai oye massage ka ho ala Fiora say na dey ana no gaga no say o say girl no etadi nkun baba ni sra de chi e ba la de o say if you ready again by force wape article be added to me the pay if you also can
any of you so open so room or go right anybody I attendance book ma security per receptionist nipa do wa no aturu ndi wa aturu
tenants ni bi so ho metelo do
me ko we ho na nka we fiura wa hu ntem
tenants ni bi ho ho mete oh serious o
Kwame ande no kwasa
ebi ho ho mete
tenants ni bi ha dwen
too much
ebi bo crash o mo kun o fie ho no ye dede gu fie
bra e fiura e patanto kwa ade
bia de bia na bi say TV na bi yese na bi yese
de bia e fiura ba ku bia minim ne de bia fiura e be patanto kwa ade
e fiura for
na make o example abde ba
Kwame e fiura for no bi nso minim bi bebre wo ma say that platform dey be over the announcement to platform no so I say what you say announcement ni bi wo Kwame sunnim for so
hey you ka wa say bi pa
sunnim for so Kwame group room ena mo mu TV ho ena mo bola no ya mo for to say ena ne mo mu TV ho mo tie ho e ho yesu mo bo ba
no ma se
sa
na baby ni TV ka
yeah se mo be huru ko mo no nso no mo to agu
wa hwe obeka se me na wa beka je oba bi ni mo hwe
ase bakasem no me na si wa
so
have my experience bi
if you want to beka se if you are who called the ball and we if you are for we for if you are way for
if
you are so say man wallet is that one of the free
I don't know if it's just say one
all the people there if you are mutimudo obi eba wo workers but the free Friday be see Sunday you check your talkers hey tenants ni bi yo tenants no ebi yo
Kwame ba bi hard o
tenants ni bi nya
Kwame bi hard o
ebi wa ho mete
tenants ni bi e pro ba ko cars be ye 3 betumi aba honom e pro ba ko minim say ebi ton cars o sense di o unim
my cousin be a friend Osbo o se onim fiewura bi a onu ready I say mo dia na jollof ara won mo sent na ji afa say everybody we say mo fufu abunu se fiewura pe fiewura pe furi ape kwa pa no omu se fiewura pe ara wa be again what just about the act no on say for decades
yes
aban bi aba no only commissioner
yes
I'm a rent control. I think under PNDC, I think Rollins a buyer. I know more per commissioner. successive government abegina omunya rent control omunya commissioner man.
Yes.
Until recently John Dramani Mahama be president here.
Yes.
While appointed Frederico Poku said I don't call it acting.
Yes, I'm acting.
Omunya yen substantive but akwado papa do vema odi awramu no. In fact omodwuma na challenging. Kwa be baby fie hihye bia so osu benya obehu fie bia be den ama. What you say? But one thing with stakeholders
Sompa FM.
Currently we want to employ a lot of youth.
Yes.
Baby dem kwada ya we call soldier ne migration ya 50 million 50,000 omo applicants call ya.
Yes.
Ya fast 5,000
500,000
500,000 5,000 Mahama say His Excellency say omo fa bin kakra say be 4 years no be the number omo pen. Kwame still ya be what excesses wo.
Sure.
And he said if omo ba beti on say ya gala no omo blue water gas. Omo dia ne say omo na bedi konkonsan hwe ba bia within the community, especially community a yan say ye way o hopa no. Community omo ya gala ho.
Yes.
Omo na be gather information no omo dia ma ministry na ministry that communicate to the diamos for. Na diamos for number. Now, with this rent control guys, what they want to do, they say, also take what we call the yellow force. With the office of Basinteli, which is the YE, Abeba Nkwadani Bebre employment. Kwame, if they are serious and they work on this, and they can pay them conform before.
Sure.
Because say blue guys in the bar, don't be say if fear they will go for inspection. They say it's not tankers by if you know. And to they will come and look at some of these things. But omun training bia, almost speciality one crime my home. Because the fear the bulldogs they go mistake. It is almost to me kukwa fear more. A job creation.
Yes.
Allow of you to get job to do. And take it or leave it. Kwame, may at a car. You have to go through all the roadworthy and all the things that you need to go through.
Sure.
Even while you can, you need to have a license. A proper license saying you fake. Sana dying team. Once you are using it for one casa or no family netima, uno be any answer. But the moment you decide say a dino de man what commercializing?
Yes.
And anything that is commercialized should be taxed.
Kwame, onya commercializing so ade ba ko we say share nso die privacy where you privacy.
Oh yes, na say all commercializing and that is how anything dey commercial.
You cannot.
So once you commercialize it,
Sompa FM.
the government has to get a share. That is it.
That's true. Say property rate.
And the advanced countries no. Okwa estate abe rent an apartment abe rent no. Government awadi diegu.
Oh, ni share wom. If you
aside property rate anu obi atua even omua omumfa dan ma han no. You are mandated on the act and say you pay a property rate. Aya assembly na eje. But so the ma ahan pa abe renters. Once it's renters no, you pay tax on the rent. And you be what the dying man. And yes, will be one answer because Kwame, you're regulating now. Make us say because I buying air be a 2%, 1%. No, the ripple effect should go to the consumer. In this case, the tenant. And the bank should be able to regulate it. Say, a dining dear woman tia. Even the baby sino crown, nina come to bear. Say, factors are yedi a price a dino. So muhu baby see and ye may wom and 2% increase it to certain amount. Then they allow you.
Yes.
As a ben kobesi, the landlords will add the tax back to a tenants. And the Caribbean wombo and they will not feel any impact. Yes, answer at the Timenfo, your person munya dying hanya, your problem no. A bed a lot. But Kwame, me one thing so I'm going to say. Sometimes we talk about say government should bring a lot of build a lot of affordable housing for yenkofo yi ana Ghanaians, especially government workers. Say ye teacher for, nurses for, all the government workers. At least we can start from there. Can I no sha? Oko asuabua, oko sunyai, oko I think it's still in some places. Snake for ye be no more snake flat. I no more giving it out. At that time, no asuabua you see all those snake flatter. Now a cushion the public worker. But currently there's no system like that. Even the affordable housing omusisi ewo Kumasi ha ebi kopie mu asokore mampong during Kofo time. The real people the idea ntia ye di see affordable houses no so mu benya edan ni behind on affordable term no. In affordable terms no Kwame obekọ no eye politician ni asikafo yo mu osika dada no ma kwagege adan no mu sa dey rent it out. It is a buying per se. Omu yes anyama no mu regulating ya. It should be digitalized. And what's a nyama no ba be dan kra. Ye hu background, we know what we stand for. Adwuma wo ye. Na ye hu se wo no onye obi a sebi. Onho kire ana se obi a wo ya aban adwuma, wo ye entitled to ani se ma dan ni behind. Because Kwame yanhwe ya. Ye beka se ye affordable houses. But the ebe na politicians na fa kira akwajeje adan no obi was 7 8 flat 9 10 apartment. Then the panel esa de be ma hanya and then here koya na ye buy. Recently me call baku ya anwe ne sia affordable house ya anwe ne sia esua se be kokko to se be yede yo. So wo kosa glami ho a na hwa buildings na esi saglami ho Kwame said the dialo masi adrawie an issue of court and technicalities ama dynamic. The number of apartment and kofona investor lands a good man. The vision was set to extend it. But then now politicians are doing bonini nyambara simti. Ebesinde say ye ko say ye bo ye jina ho. Omoka say ministry no which is works and housing. Sometimes you are calling down da muna ne ho. And nyama infractions e course wa. I also ye hwehwem up to now. Ye hwehwe mu. And then so ye movie ahead say ye koye nim. Okwo hod ma why yes na wo ho and tap ya ye bie. Sa go for minka say omu but it is believed say omu a condemn for akotu to taps no omu so mbe wi why yes no asha say wi why yes ni. And what it means ni say emra omu ba twa omu mra omu ba twa omu ba ye omu nyoma wi a ya beka say ye to aso no. Enyama e what dynamo e ma dynamo dimu no. Say ye wires, say ye tap, say ye all these things building going everywhere. Kwame ni nyina ye wie free honum ko. That is how omaye mre bia ye jayin. The same thing applies to Akwan Rosa and wo bantam bia. MPP aban ba ye omuka say sa Rose ni bi odma also mu audit ni hwe no. Ye Jakwan ni bi go mra omu ya obadwin so omu ko no. Na Iron Ross ni sa anwome wom no omawie bebre ko. Okwa is it takra the one time I went to that place. A year almost overhead omu ye it say so I mean interchange bi. Enyeme ohono people are finding ways to steal some of these things. Entimpempi ya na mi dia reho edi ya o say. The taxpayer ye say ye boa na ma ne ho ahen no. Kwame ye wi ani asa bedin we will come back and burden the taxpayer. A project I give taxpayer sika betua no once no. Yetimi tua no quadruple, yetimi tua no 3 times, yetimi tua no 4 times. All because of negligence of yen paying for office holders. And for us as a nation, no, say you be holding and leaders accountable to whoever is in charge at that time. So ye NDC, so ye MPP no. And then na NDC for and a waswa. Okoka NDC for communicators bebo mo hwene asha ase diatem MPP for na wa MPP for no koka omso bebo mo hwene asha ase diatem without thinking say it's not about MPP or NDC, it's about war taxpayer no usika ye de kwa koto sa anwoma na enkofo di nsem hunu no. I see. And that is what squeezy assassination da bia ye kwa ne asabisi
yes ababisi and Kwame a very good points ahodo and I was spelling out the actual na Kwame ye man mo hanom no menim de hayen as o man e sha say de free team memfo so saa kwakosi empenifo so menim de hayen de ntina me kasa in the sense say ye hunu se e haw no nie e haw no e ha ne free e haw no we ne yeye e haw no we na wose ye de asoche ne asodie nyina akobɔ but then say ye be too bold and among ye be take plucky steps say asimasi wo na wo kokɔ so saa mess no nti wo na wo say wo take responsibility no ye nya ne saa adenti ne ye nya ne saa because of your NDC because of your MPP because of your minua because of your madamfo because of your mibusiani because minimino because madamfo enua eno no. That is what we are doing to ourselves in this country. Yes, sorry, ye de ho toto emrofo no. Meanwhile, emrofo no say ne bakura ne dibone a or report on straight to the police, to the authorities. Say the akoda ne ye no emfa kwan mu sabi adwene ne nyansa bia ennim. Eno nti posifo emranimfo muni no ni na fei babiasam no da no mo de nato. Yen ye be kata so ye kata so wie na se obi nua kokoya eno de ye baye no eso te se ayi Kwame cars akese azels ya nam kwan akese so no se de ne light no so no eso fom eso soro na fe ye to ye no kwa kogu so ye kwa akokan no meanwhile ye de ye fie de oye no yanka. The same thing na ba be wura body politics mu say eye NDC na aye na efoma NDC fo anka se omo NDC mu no wo mo nka but say MPP ni ya NDC fo kwa akoka sa na tie se NPP ni ko ya MPP fo so message kire omo sen aka no kra kire nipa no ye nka but say NDC ni ko ye de a yetumi koka. So we don't say the truth, we don't tell the truth to ourselves. Yanka no kure no enchire ye ho ewo kuruma. Now to the affordable housing na Kwame o boss no. This country, we are sick. We are very, very, very sick. We are sick in the sense say Kwame ye ne ayetumi ho said ye akandifo ne empenifo ye no. Sabi nyansa ne adwene bi anim. But nam se ye yare nti no ye yare ehu yade a etie mu enti ye ntumi nkasenti no na ya kandifo no edinsem hunu din sebe nkwase asem ne ehwe omo affordable house na ye sisi wo enye ye nsika ene omo di kosi ye nti so omo di ye sika akwa kosi a adenti ena mfasode ne botaye nti omo di kosi ye no eso manfaso emaye
Sompa FM
adenti na nia enu nti omode saa dan ne Ghana sika ko hye mu no enya adwuma yete hodin yen kan hwe mfamfa ho yen nya hwe mfamfa ho na ene NPP aba na NDC aba no ose we na NDC hyase no se mi ko wi a yede credit no ebe ma no se on na hyase e na mi baba be wie enu nti sete sa de amenkoye ma menko se bibi foforo ase wo baby no ono so akwa akọ no ase na ne term of office nso time na so na atwam wantumi anwie na no so agyae saman na si ho nti ubenya saman ba ko ha ubenya saman mienu ha na ye politics na MPP mu ye bi mu anwie NDC mu ye bi mu anwie. We are blinded, Kwame, excuse my language this morning, we are blinded foolishly by politics in this country to the extent to say yentumi nkano krenchire ye ho. We are so blinded to the extent that just say ye nie fra ya so sisi ana ya no so no akata because of politics. And that is what is causing a lot of problems and messes in this country. Sir, rent control issue. I am an idiot because in the sense that one way or the other, no. A baby beba Kwame, it will take away the work of agent for ne bukataye omode. Agent for bukataye omode. On see dying. but say onu di wanim say edan no ne ha na hye no Kwame sika obeye so obeje wo no 10% of sika na wo kwa kodwerehwere wo moyure mu say 10,000 a wakwa kodwerehwere wo mu no o say wakwa kutua 10,000 na wie no sama no 1,000 na dan say nyo no anka wo hu dan no oh menka se mo adwuma no so ni mfaso o bare toda mu hu ni pam mo kakra enu nti se ta a rent commissioner mo ni o mayi koso na Kwame ye adwuma no mu register landlord for ni nyina landlord wo dan ne da ho a enu ani se wako rent control nti wo koso nyane aspect a ubowra mu anet no so papa and I know this will come say am I eni omutrimu I'm suggesting this ti ya register mu nyina wi a ya nyanya ayi edan ahodo no se wo ko sunyan a o pay edan wo sunyan na oti a obo mu asunyan no akwa assess edan ahodo a ye de ma rent a egu ho area wo pay wo de edan a wo self contained chamber hall na de siu to wo de wo pay no akwa choose and say kobasa na say rent control for e take commission wo ha menya so say no be take commission a e be twa nipa mini e be ku nipa sa
Sompa FM
yeah boa resource rent control so na wo matumi control tenant ne landlords na kasakasa ne ntokwa ne oyene a ekos wo mu ntem da ne da nyina no eso ate then we are able to deal with that because the entire maker say na agent no open commission ti efie na ode wo kotena mu no say efie wura ne ye marijata say efie wura ne ye mame wota say efie wura ne ye chewa say efie wura ne ye den on kan kirew on the oduti ene wo daachi na wo hyebere kwa akɔhye wo binsa ndi se nipa no betiti wa ma de achi na wo kɔ adwuma wontumi nya sound mind fa nkɔ adwuma on the emfa no ho ne commission obeje no ene hia no de wa akɔ akɔhye. So I think the rent control I am encouraging them and in any way be a bind between aboa mo adwuma na gina wo nan so na bibia tumi akoyie na fiewura fo anya sumdue na tenant fo anya sumdue na yen so aye pedan ahan so yatumi anya no fofo lefo se meti sunwane ana meti kumasa na me pedan ahan wa Accra me call rent control for platforms so ana or my website pa mahu se agbogbuloshi mahu se community say mahu se kaswa mahu se achimota mahu se English mahu se 37 mahu se nungwa ne na ekeka ho no edan wo ho esiutu de mepe in terms so na ya mafaso na ma pick number na ma hand me da ne ekoyani. It is time we have to do this. Ya near Sarah Bain say that affordable house na we see as you on Kwame. The side time I said to me before you bet me a demonstration on that Kwame ye. You bet me a fee and sinting yankanka yenya yenya bebintina. Anampo yenya say a drew say ye kwako rented dan ye bre ye chimi ye bojani ye fati ti bimu obi wo ho dan obetina mu na obi be han ama nti se nipa ni dinse mu nu kura na wo hwe ontumi nkasa no amie na no adan a misika nso but on na betumi aboa me amanya ba bi adanti no nti die nsem hu bi obedi bia no eni wo kwan se me ka no koro bi kire no eni wo kwan se me ka asem no se die sitie e kire nipa no o se mi miama no no be se wakwa kotenam onpe nso no wakwa kotenam. Let's demonstrate against this current or past or each and everyone responsible for this affordable housing na ene akanwuram ene esisi wa essay ene adi yesika bebreba yenhu so mfaso. Yes, demonstrate against that. You demonstrate ni mo hunu say ye bre when it comes to baby e ti beto a Kwame obey serious. Womo sorry omo se bi mo disika why ne ya prosecuting na na kwakotum e kire se wa disika. If you say want to mean prosecute you obi anfo obi anko it means that they all can ya tro
Sompa FM.
However, obeka say a process. The process so make it known to young Ghanaians say kwan we na onam so we ne sika na yeso wodi no e ha ne ha na aduru say ni say na da bia me ka say the steps and the path you are charting to get results no me ehun hia me change the final results.
All right.
I need that more than the final results because yes, you are taking me along to let me understand the processes and what you are doing. Until at the end of it, I will get a full understanding of the case. Say, oh, where the yansisi obia ya yankatakata niema so say in city. It is high time as a country we have to rise and rise very well. Now say you're making your leaders not account to us. They should account to us. They should be responsible for the decisions they are taking, they are making on behalf of we the people that the sovereign power resides from. Sa nye sadia ombe fire fala sa nye sadia omdi ebe diagro sa nye sadia politics na ombe yes ajandam sa no the 100 cities 20 cities no the ma food soldiers 20 cities 100 cities no the ma party folks 20 cities 100 cities no the ma des enkofo inti wo pega wa no abaso oba di watem no asechere ne nse odno na ne nse 32 no efe odno na ne nse 32 no ejina ne nanso oba be di watem meanwhile afo yin so Kwame obeka so di watem because what kind of kure no so who could trace in the background ko hwe na takura so otumi kasa ho but because of politics intino na saa nipa no no kasem for the actual because what kasem no credit the actual party NDC and NPP. It is time we have to rise. It is time we have to wake from our sleep as Ghanaians. It is time we have to prove a point to each and everyone who wants to lead us. Say, you will be accountable and responsible for your decisions. So if you can't, find a seat somewhere. If you can't, don't come to us. Say, yamba to me. Because to me near the mawa. Yaba more accountable. Yaba more baby buho akunta edi amai. I think we will have a very fine country to live in because there was a young couple on the Mayabia or the Amai. There was what the Chayabia or the Achaye. It is on to us to use our brains, to use our conscience, to use our mindset. Nothing near Makuye the mam. Heaven no, you bet me a live on our son at our time naso. You bet me a live.
All right, Mamma say I'll pay Express Group for Adaroma. You're too far. Express Group for Adaroma. I don't pay you too far. Now, Bibia also I am fine. That Bibia atom kama Eddie Mayen. Yen too quine da Express for Mayen and Nanti. That I pay that because you see a bedi como. Yes. Ye bedi como. Yera Eba Ashanti region is serving its people, and this morning, Bibia to Tomoa. Because DVLA under the act I give birth to DVLA at 569 the 1999 at 569 no mandates and services that they have to render no but also amount for us send the questions a lot of questions also bet me the questions no afa 050 943 8500 na DVLA for ba ye be so mo dia ma 050 943 8500 WhatsApp and then normal TST way in friend so where WhatsApp ni TST 050 943 8500 Express Group die too far sa obekwa mono ne na okwa akoye adwuma anabeko school
Sompa FM
Express Group ne di wakagina mu pa eti se fa so okwa mono ne se mu ye ekuakuo so ya ankure na mo kọ da wo kwa broche na kona okono pese ticketing ho yenye ticket bu of pa because yenim all the companies and say flight companies no nyuma ko na omu hihye akwantu wonsem no ya lupre no akwa akofa no yenim wonsem gida aeroplane bia ni wa yeni omu ni links enti yenim season and time abenya de fo yenim time man so a ubuku a ebeboa advance ni ade oba ni nyina de apo ne beba ho enti ti do obi obefa express bi otimi tu kwan technicalities oni ma obetwa tickets akwa ye wa affordable tickets why ye de ba ho say ye local say domestic airlines ada say foreign o kwa bruche even so kwa encline o ko country intercity bia Sunyain ni other places that is okay from Accra to Sunyain, from Kumasi to Accra, from Accra to Kumasi. Ni na ye twitwa bia fine e de amount. Na scholarship abrochen so oba ye di hu dwuma pa. ye throw school class amre ye bi omu scholarship ye bi omu admission any scholarship on sem ho ye boa amwo nya bi kama pa sa so ana pa admission e wa brocho person go school abrocha na pa admission a oba ye work out at the mount kama over years ye ba ye no krede ni adwumaden ti nyame adom ye da so ginam gidi o ze afwa ye don bo bi adwane so ye de da so ginam we express group for adom mo bo ye wo kuma se ye wa nkran ye wo tema ye wo East Legon ye wo takrade ye wo sunyane ye wo tamale ye wo babiani ye office no the court ye ben the court pa sa so na tamale nso ye wo tamale teaching hospital ye den ne ben so sunyane for mo ko silver house dining so wo court kan dining high court honuma ona be hu silver house takra de mo ko market circle ye ne hot Ernesto fast food ani die nhwe mo East Legon so mo ko Trinity Theological Seminar honum ho ana mo be hu yen tema momra community 18 Lashibi Go filling station no ye ne Lashibi funeral homes no ane ben so sa enso anenkran momra kaneshi akrafo nyina momra kaneshi first light ho ne ho Kumase for momra asafu labor roundabout o de frɛ 0249 000 448 0 near me 0249 000 448 ada 055555 in you num 055555 0067 ada 050 8111 343 0508111 343 Bray na yamwa ne tu kwan aropa wa bubo bia na tago heba Mr. no abode tago heba Mr. tago heba capsules aropa bomadia we bema no no bia aropa especially mema mo erectile misfunction no impotency wa bo the bridge nyoma nko ye nyoma nsisi so a ohia tago heba Mr. edo ana ebo sa so na o low libido watenka sem wo fom oba bema o low libido a tago heba Mr. and the capsules infections ahodo ni nyina so eboa pa enti bobotago ni bi ewo pharmacy shop any drugstore bia for 0243 228 296 0243 228 296 that up also ebubo odie kama arapa RSYD Novigi studio sa oya podcasting sa oya online streaming sa oya movie ya wo studio ho a wodi twa obi bia utim say state of the art facility pa baby awo Ghana ha bia friend ne book yen ye beba 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 030 397 4822 RSYD Novigi studio one crying or Malama Biase First Kokoko Street ana be hu yen o se break experience a creative environment where your vision becomes reality buku yesese na yemra na utwa movie utwa film ana oye podcast oye streaming na o de friend fa video ho nsem de friend na no pay yemeboa eye Kingdom Herbal Center na akofa tremendous capsules saba omo anso na akofa Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules omo anso na the Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters aba na Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Bitters no eno ebo immune system na my immune system na improve makajo say the moment your immune is strong no ya de bia entimi mfa ho enkosa enti build the immune no be build the immune dia drug garlic home you are formulating in a very professional way Kingdom Garlic Capsules Kingdom Garlic Bitters and eboa immune booster papa release stress every so also that anxiety arthritis taken away or other anxiety dumbness hypertension stroke heart disease cholesterol sadia na adore wo ko yeze cholesterol koso wo de bra na be Kingdom Garlic Capsules and Kingdom Garlic Bitters ni ebo Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules and so yama mema pa say why sexually weak usisi ana ya when your mental stress why you say wa bra wa bim ara face so up sufficient energy so okwa adwuma kakra bia no abre okwa adwuma fatigue set up me so unya physical energy wo de be ye adwuma kingdom ginseng power capsules ginseng ne wom no eboa maintain na apompe blood ni na fa ye adwuma saa so ana eboa ma osimen no etimi a regulate fine pa edi amount extra power so tiase ema no so kwaje tremendous capsules here a natural head formulated and no for treatment of for all vaginal infections ahudo ni na away enti adopen se sent bi na wa hemfie ho sister egu anim ase how mema no call mu mabio mu reasons menstrual disorder ba na ase bibi yayo ko fichira ja ensem onya tremendous in there ya shada ya mama no naturally formulated pa 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 channel soon Sir Kingdom Herbal Center Okenshi Drug Lane oba all leading pharmacies pharmaceutical shops any herbal shops na obenya enroi papa bi ato Kingdom ana or say no challenger Arapai sciatica expert nso ono ane 21st clinic say brain so sisi ya chitwenwa osisi ya chini twa de be ka na ase ho a me so e symptom a say ya de kase pa na eba na wan hwe de obetena dem afi de obedru ba bi yo ho hwe nyi enti 21st clinic ana ya research on say sa ya de na sciatica no eye kodiewu ye ya de tete hadwen enti 21st clinic expert 21st clinic ana yi ya de ni nyina afri ho de amount enti bomodin na bra 21st clinic 21st for say yadie bia oba doctors kukudam nurses professional nurses wo ho physiotherapist ho emfidie ho manpower ho bibia wo hia modern health facility bia nyame adom ebi ho lab ho ma ye hwe yadie ma hwe de ha mogam ne odunsom ne atate say yadie ni nya so oba ne e kan oduro sa enso so ne ho scan center twitwa wo yam hwe nyome koso nyome bobit wo yam ni nyina ehwehwem na afei aye ho adwuma pa eti anopa bomodia 21st clinic 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 and 0249 311 311 ya branches ne doso fa numbers ne frɛ call center no chise maba wa ne mrante ni go bebre o fa ya no mapeke o free hen okay ahade aha na beben so free Kumasi Ashanti region dia no market so oba hwan overseas junction baby Sompa FM we ye ne osoro Sompa FM Sompa TV osoro anomo fom ye ne yeduanom Alpha radio and Alpha radio and a ben so obo ase na free obo ase de ne bra council quarters court junction we one abe 21st clinic o Accra o se bra Tantra Hill udu Tantra Hill ho ana be huyen odi bomode ara Tantra Hill na ebra na yenhwew sa elsura wo sunyan a bunu region ho bra sunyan regional hospital ya the regional hospital anedi animhwe onya beduru opa ye behwe ama ho so ato arapa wo nkransa so mu ho sa so na techima gn bank dada no edan dada ne ho anomo anopa 0249311311 0249311311 na ya assistil ne break anopa Roman father ne dro no Father Martin's Aba Mixture. Omu ane kofa bai. Roman father no edro no. Anope se namness ane wo so tititi wonam eyo tititi. Odo nai pimpim ho masa. Dine babe yo. Stroke ana how. Stroke hawa. Waso be ya shepa drobeni. Wanhwe adwuma kosuan adwuma hodididi fe wakadem. Ohonam yo ya. Usisi ane yo ya mesro bomodia ne kopebi. Nebobo Roman father nedro pressure diabetes chronic diseases ahodo nyina anope bomodin na epe Roman father nedro ni bi 0247919122 0247919122 0552668517 afei anope mo hard working boss DVLA in the Ashanti region papa na tena se wa biam waje ne nkrata ne pen de how bia nyame adom oni ni able public relation officer obaba betena se hanope osum na no adia o eti de yeso paro na after de eti ase arope ba mechia Kwame Apia who DVL bechem Kwame Anope very good money hey DVL for is a man to money peba all right Anope yedin komo enso ha makacho say my questions no emra na bibia opese obusa awo DVL ho said the act no emom ho akwanya se omun somien enso ewo ho no Anope omumwa na yenin komo enso ewo Yera Jerry Adam Aflabo regional manager DVLA Ashanti region Yera Anope matching
yeah me josumi na Kwame
na empom te sen
nyame adom na wonso
nyame adom in the region so far send adwuma ne siko
adwuma no yeguso yeguso kakaka
nyoma elko fine
yeah
all right said here act no emma ho kwan 1999 at 569 emma mo establishment na ebaye no Anope for the purposes of education DVLA mo commandate den mo dwuma mo yes
me da say your commandate ni de tia two main mandates and they say to ensure that we have roadworthy vehicles on our roads and other public places and to maintain and train drivers who drive in the country. So these are the two major core mandates. Now, Oshima, okay, my main for Kenya is mention. Actually, for what you So, Oshima, in delivering on some mandates, my authority, any stakeholders, be to say Ghana Drive for Edijuma, and now say private vehicle test stations for Edijuma. Mandates, on the a banner driver license, the aspect of training, the ama and crankra or be driving schools. Okay. Or be training in Crawford, into training muria na omaba ye honey test yomo. Of course, any driving schools no juma together anti almost syllables no programs or modi a church ye input room and I say ye need your momo. Anti almost training Crawford area na omaba lines of near test yomo na affair momo license no. And I was actually ma any Ghana Optometrist Association and I say omo mo training omo expert in the eye ophthalmologist yani omo acco into partnership sebeya bazo beji license the aspect of the eye test omo be hwa no machine amaye because we believe that because they are the experts omo betimi aye no maye so we are strategically working together with stakeholders each time of the year to try and make the license acquisition process very, very effective. Now, Oshe Bano car munso a Bano vehicle registration as a very stack biano yema oko private garage na oko o car no be fan fidie mu o wi o mema a report inspection report now the aba na yahwe as the register come out so na roadworthy nsugu a o de be call sa private garage because a bit capital intensive and offices are buying into me equip all the offices with those machines into and enter into private partnership with some will be on between BSA on behalf of the authority. Anti banning mandate it is that simple. These are the two major mandates, but because into me quite to me na tina mama other experts or more resources to help us deliver on those mandates.
My name is related to more services more render. Driver license, vehicle license. Baba could be a
Sompa FM.
or say third party commission. Any thing.
Third party commission. Well, so like I said, yeah, about your services are, you know, just like am I explaining with eye testing and other things, you know. You know, this is how one triangle fire extinguishers, embossers, insurance agent, or more premises. So many nano, or more I say yeah. Service providers, third-party service providers are you know, just so that people can easily and readily access some of these services. Okay. That's why we work with them.
Okay. Okay, acquisition of driving school niti. Mami Musa say acquisition of licenses. Procedure need to say.
Oh, okay. So procedure no one, you should be 18 years and above. And then it is two things. Either wabeba DVLA or the Ghana card beba near start the process now. And now say over called driving school first. Now driving school for no di waba. So over your honor with the Ghana card na yamautia. I think stage 1 now is about 984 or so. Utia wine learner's license mawa. Of course, obey eye test. Obey eye test. Eye test here I think 100 cedis. Any of the DVLA accredited eye test facility I work room only number one say your logo boho DVLA accredited eye test facility. Wait my eye test or no. Into you now the report number na utia 984. I think that's stage 1. Near ye learner's license mawa. Afe ubetimi this learner's license no and I form no. Akọ driving school be a ben one na say ewo woman team. Na wako register no what to process mo so. And now so ubekọ driving school ni ho na omo de waba any which way it's allowed. So that's the process. In team driving school no dey offer mandatory 48-hour training more. You will be a friend slot. Then omema slot. Sa slot no say ye nya sa slot na it means schedule for the exams. And I is because your person will be a slot no. He should have gone, or he should have gone through the driving school. Until once, almost the mandatory, which there's a checklist they print out. So once you are done with that, then you need to slot amount they are scheduled for CBT test, and then when you write the exams and you pass, then you come for the road science and the driving test. That's how the process is.
Okay, so are we saying sir, DVLA does not any Juma direct so pay licenses are this is what go through a driving school.
No, instead of making no. So we say wait me about DVLA with your Ghana card any eye test report. You be stage 1 amount, learner's license amount. You more we are then a so-called driving school. Whichever way you have to go through a driving school.
That is what I want to establish.
But you can, but one can submit me about the starting process because we are Abia we share driving in the but then you have to polish up. And don't know uko driving school now. And no one some kind I'm sure will be different from Obia own name driving driving school for a channel. You know, so all those things are things that when you all do driving school now, they will determine your level of preparedness and what they have to do for you to bring you to that level, and then the two of you will agree on it, and then you settle the financial whatever it is. As they are doing, there's a checklist that they will be taking or cross-checking. So once they are done, then now they can now omit me generate invoice slot amount. Now it means they are scheduled for the exams.
Indeed, each way no, also at least there should be a stakeholder.
Sompa FM
driving school involved. Okay.
Oh yes.
I want to busy establishing. Now, Yemra said, Ekati across 18 years, you know, for all vehicles and I think Chichimu.
All right, so driver license process now because your license categories, different license categories. Now, for currently as it is, for license A and na you the riding motorbike.
Okay.
License B and you the driving private car. License C and you driving light buses like van bus. Yeah. D a rigid cargo trucks. Okay, and a F near articulated track.
Okay.
Now, the minimum age requirement for any of them is 18 years.
18 years.
Now, OD 18 OG license B now. After 2 years, I will say we use class of license for 2 years. We usually as one because I won't fee a year 25 years.
Okay.
And son wait me pay alcohol C.
Okay.
So from C, every other 2 years, one answer or request is help us or pay because we try exams and I'll be choose cars. So every other 2 years, we me a pay sana processing it here. Into the first one at 18 years. Before you move to C, I was say we use a B for 2 years.
Okay.
I also want to say a year 25 years.
Okay. There was a chat in one of our group partner Obideba. So they tell me I'm stressing on the age and they say 18 is it for private driving or is for commercial? Because no so can say or more or lines is no matching. Then another person also a rider can say any matching because say only 18 or licenses but only authority to drive a commercial vehicle. And on me say no age banner require of you to drive a commercial vehicle.
But I say so technically per the law so you're 25 has not to drive a commercial. Yes. Because the point is that so 18 years na OG license B na Toyota Corolla way a private obitimi de etwi.
Okay.
But same Toyota Corolla way o the yellow gun na o ye no taxi abaya commercial. O the as in the license na 18 class B na 18 years. Yeah. Obitimi e de etwi no. What's the user in back commercial then the requirements have changed. But what you say in the technical we feel so the same vet na and I'm using private intimidate me the yellow kunwa the same kind of but embremono per the law as this you should be 25 years. You should be 25 years. So even if ube use B no cry a tree because B the bit me tree vet say a private too say a commercial B the bit me tree.
Okay.
But the other aspect will be the age. A year 25 to drive commercial.
Okay.
And this who will be in the cry now say your vet now is in private now person already commercial. Even though B the bit me tree say category of car won't fee is it 25? You have to watch that one because it's expected say who drive a commercial car there are a lot of responsibilities on you as a driver and you need to have experience and you need to be matured to take care of people's life and property whilst on the road. That is why the law had made that provision say for you to drive commercial it should be 25 years.
Okay. Yamra the tricycle Pragya Abuya also registration in licenses in 176.
Okay. Almost registration it is said the register car na.
Okay.
Almost to the custom document custom document at the bar DVLA office customs for be inspect or me release na inspection officers are proceeding with the inspection and the details. Near register. It's just like the car now.
Okay.
Almost license, the guy initially started CBT computer based test, Now license A motor for almost so much exams. But it got to a point that almost you're converting to organizing training for them.
Okay.
You're training road safety guides, road safety guides, road signs, and all that area. Now, a testimonial normal license, but on him say Embrano, it's going through some amendments, and because a binding is what doing opposite or some reforms when it comes to the motorbikes, Abuboy and Inti. Sambrano, and the information I get is that yes, some brand says I know answer no rider's license, we'll go back to overture exams. In fact, not only exams, driving school. They also go through the driving school now because a buying percent osisa usage, Until when that happens, they will call driving school. They go through the driving school process. They write the exams and all that. Yeah.
Me name say sanity. Mo kasa mo ye digitalization bia. Mo enroll all the you can say licenses Until now mo say year bia workchi unyanko the new system no chi say all the ba enroll sanity and no one say Marcus say.
I think so. No be a number plate or onboarding.
I think I was talking to Mr. Pote on that.
Yeah, I know be vehicles. I want say this year I think I introduce a new number plate system. No.
Okay.
But due to legislative challenge, also into parliamentary approval because I cannot. I was here some brano. Mrana. My currently LI 2180 of 2012 regulation 10 a honor number plate no design any features no, and once I had say a number plate it was a parliament amended sambra no and sana it me okay na intimi nyasa approval from parliament ama yentimi unrolling out said ya plan here. However kase you roll out new number plate system now. Ubeka say, and yeah, reside
Sompa FM.
What will happen? And until you can say, yeah, a dear friend onboarding, no. Hey, say like we are digitalizing your vehicle records, Once I say, vehicle document need a paper from A from C.
Yeah.
So you per se convert it and to a digital platform. Okay, so that so you're starting new system, numbering system now. You be to me assign the new number because say you're starting new number system now. With time I will say you face it out. Z ni 22 ni 21 ni 19 ni 18. I will say omu nyina no ye de omu basu bi. Because one technology now you use for the new number plate different from the ewo hosisi no. Nti I was say yes say be ya obia no sorry say be ya obia no betimi enjoy the benefits of the new because the new number plate will be communicating to some road features.
Okay.
And to say anye ama obia then what we use 21 2020 ni 19 no e be do baby say utimi access e kwan baby a bia because of technology nti na intimate na say yeah by be makwan over a period na ye nyina no yasesa to the new number. But before then since you no be a what talk be a on your transfer so your transfer e ba ne dinim and na or your transfer e ba ne dinim na ya onboarding at all.
Okay.
Near your onboarding is you converted the paper from A from C near the adom to a digital platform. By a system so because system I use is different from the another use the data no. So that is what we meant. So by next year nyame you roll out new number plate na omo ya register card no yen so betimi new number ni bi.
Compliance ne enforcement ya mo fa kwan be so na ya motimi make sure say more regulate enkonform ye enkonform bu emraso.
So as we speak now, Chief Executive Mr. Julius Nikokote announced that you're holding on was suspending compliance and enforcement units
Sompa FM
because I think that we're arranging for some equipment and training for them. In TCC, they have been suspended. Almost the umbefa entitimu and omemo makandi for ansana omasaba back to the road. So a question I will be saying, I'm sure that authority is trying to restructure all that. Bano monitoring near their feedback system near their internal. I want us to
Hold on for now.
Exactly. So that new new policy and as a new way bar, then we will see how we can now monitor them and take feedbacks.
I think that saying they're more idea, but some time ago, Obehuna double plate our system. And we are there in a cover.
No, well, first operational challenges. A bit of while, funny say, we station A, me station B. Maybe I'm a fraud. Station B, a fresh station is client we have open number way.
Okay.
Now, you bet me use one now. See, okay, that hunting moon use. Maybe I use way instead of say, now they my station A, no.
Yeah.
Instead of say, ube update records na actually say number we udi ama station B no e bia no manya ne sa enti obi nso ba ohun say sa number we the ama station B odi ase na omasa reissue. I mean sometimes those are the cause, but say a banisa na we resolve it I mean quickly, but the ebi nso ho a no and go through your system. Maybe obi na try number plate keke dia abon car so and only obi di Asia. So those ones, when it happens that way, then the other party will be arrested. But say station A now register genuinely, and station B so register the same number genuinely. The two records will be there.
Okay.
Until we need the kind of register and send away. So we'll talk to the client and then we will just change the number for the client. That's all.
Modi mobs no much as mobile service.
Yeah,
it's the same system. It's the same.
Oh yeah. And say mo enra mi share team no. Na me no have a review of our activities over the past 3 months. I think that now a COFEM kaka, and so minimum share say we will re-strategize and see how best we can serve the people well. But the mobs no and timame fa kwanya we so na main encounter eti for any ejumakuko say yenya mo boabo mo ho up to 20 DVLA main office airport runabout. We have the facilities, we have the personnel, we have the vehicle. You will drive yaba or premises.
Wow.
Now services are of course there will be a communication. We'll let you know the services. But we do all the service, license renewal, missing, new driver license, upgrade. We start the process and all that. You will drive yaba ejumun na yababa with IT for your mobile money create invoice near the adi. You pay and then we'll do into your mouth timelines and then we'll work on the cover notes and then a year ready we'll bring it to you. So mami fa konya we suname enkama IT for any work groupings and I say jumeku and I say group of people be I say keep fit any company mojumu hakra no say mo staff no ready you can let us know yebaba 10 to any more, then we set up and then we will look at your licenses for you, do the renewals for you and all that. People should take advantage of it.
Is it applied to drivers also station commercial drivers?
Oh yes. So we go to the chief executive has introduced what we call the bus terminal project.
Okay.
Yes, bus terminal project. So it is aimed at getting closer to them, and sometimes it's just last Friday we need 3 days exercise we work on. So and in this day and age, you still see drivers driving with expired license and expired roadworthy, expired insurance. I mean, it is unacceptable. I mean, because we feel that it's education more. Because of social media and identity, almost everything is now everywhere. Yes. So lorry terminals and the various transport unions, when the organization drivers near there, we'll go there and then we'll provide the service to them.
maybe na maintain service ni bi ase na viewers ne callers ne fra no muka oh bi de call ya ne de na mu complaint we do all of me say bufre bi prestige sign no esitie.
All right, so prestige na ankasa de no head office, okay. But your premium service and your regular service. Okay. However, my main take the opportunity to me educate. So is it, for instance, menu license, your license, and I say menu your license who finance your license who the same day. You renew. Okay, fine. You fine say I want to use a scenario that people will get me very well. You know your license B. If I say you know your license B, okay. You know license B, you know. Media ebewu ende. Wo dia no ewu endra and as last week. So you know you could even say you could renew. Who sika obetua no ebedo so answer me there even though in license B. The reason being that on the services be a roadworthy license ya ma ho kwa say ka boso baako na say ebewu a okay obetimi renew obetimi adi ho dwuma but o twen na say wu ende na da baako to so a there's a delinquency charge I 77 cedis. Oh, they say, into many they cry the same license class, BB. Now, me the ebe wound, then I many waba. Now, they would last week, and I said, Rano. Oba, Sikabi Metuano, over to 77 cities more than the Amimetua. Yes. Ain't it difference? Even a day, also. Because the point is that a car 1 month, a car was made by Kunebewa, Obetime renew. Into no. Sometimes crown 1 month crown obeti ahead obeti renew crown sana ewu but say otwa na say ewu na daba ko toso a there's a delinquency charge of 77 cedis budget ya say enti obi o house o na me nya car enti no lines me dey to ho na say bi nya car e car na like o pile e car agu ho ma budget ya say. So once a car license there, a cabusumi bako and I say o car road where the cabusumi bako na se bewu a, and so 200 mona renew. That way, we be avoid the delinquency charge no. But so one yes sir, na se wu na dabako ebe toswa. The procedure is that you pay a delinquency charge of 70. And I say that is 1 day to 6 months, 77 cedis. 6 months to 1 year is around 152 or so. And no, your addition to the renewal, sika nankasa obeto ha. You oti enti tell you obeka say oh, maybe buy you know, ya hwe mentem. Ebia making ebia na wo ba no why eye test. Into eye test report crowd. Okay. And na ono so ba no wanye eye test. Se mu mienu wo ba ye be hwe wo eja ono because ono answer na ye be ka say oh e also the eye test report ba na obekwa akoya ba na wo wi awoko o di ase enti no say no AI advice say obey any license say ye eye test for DVLA premises biom ye eye test for yard mo biom enti hu na eye test report no e valid for 23 months.
Oh okay.
Oh yeah. Wow. Almost 2 years. Yes. Enti no e valid for almost enti no obetimi aya to ho. Into any license related activity be aba be no na odi aba nti no sa oba ye ya na ewia ma ohon ma but se wanya ites na oba obeso a aje osa kwa bonten ansa na akoye ites na sa aba nti obebe ka se o na me buy no ye ma me cheye. I mean these are some of the reasons and na ebia bi so wo ho a the telephone number no the year license no ebia sim registration no one register ne sim no anasa wasesa and as was number no nti eba ne sana ye invoice generation na onya token no so a delay e bi wo ho a age ye send mo ye reset ne ade ma no so some of those things could contribute to e bi obeka so ye buy ya hwe mentem and I say ha but all things being equal, license renewal, for instance, 15 minutes.
Wow.
License because I test no criminal oba no say yeah invoice no what you aka na ya post to test in this sticker atari license in the chairman. That's all.
May go through questions but obi say the car otu kwan ana emro buy so oba be use no maybe because me translate from English to Chi.
Okay.
Oba be use no oba so oba be twa road wedding no na mo tekino the years are when you use car no esika, but he didn't use the car during that period.
Yes, no correct. The thing is that many oil studio has this here say obiba na say renew the road ready for let's say 1 year and that's 2 years. That's a catch or say car no unusual.
Yeah.
How will you know? Obey then we say o use for feature e bia ne kwan so police ni ho. E bia ne feature bia offer no police phone ni ho ntino o use cra police engineer no. How will you know? So ye will be a friend layoff. Layoff no. Actually say we be too kwan anampo o car asay na e bia part no enya dia obenya nnu a ana say car no opese for some reason o too kwan as be opese odisi wo for some time your friend layoff oba apply for layoff you be layoff na ma na ye the copy ato file so near the copy so amount enti no no ukodi 5 years cry na oba ye nim say car no wa boy amane say car no onyuzu ena nyama na ayaya ma on so no kire say enya de a car no o use car no. So in that sense no ye renew ma ye start bibia fresh ye mbu eka bia egwechiri bia emfa ma ba se wanya ne saa ye ntimi enhu enche say o ampa car no na sifia onyuzu because na maka no ebia na o mantem ho ana o kwan of as police ni o ntino ebia o use car police nchiwo enti say ebia after all this one as a BBC now bana ka say car no na onyuzu because ye ni ekwan bia ye verify say na use ana say onyuzu ntino eno no ye njintum enti bebu eka na wechiri no ama.
Okay. Obi say why are you not issuing cars? Any thing?
Oh, I think that license cards no car.
Okay. Are you not giving out?
We are giving out cards. We are giving out cards.
FM.
We are giving out enra me sene bekwai offensu kumewu bekwai offensu kumewu. Yes. Bekwai offensu kumewu. Yes. Omo cars ma omo di free akraba ama ma sene amomo. Ma sene amomo ende omba beji nti ye wo cars ho mo ya sending messages ama Kumasi office ya broadcasting messages ama omo cars aba omo jiji nti we are issuing cars but I would like to know the particular concern ebiana ono ne san car ne de ya maybe obetumi aye the specific na ya hwemwa ebetumi the one but we are issue cars.
O renewal price na same
renewal. Okay, so again now Kwame, because of the way charging system is here. Now renewal ankasa if I'm not, I think it's 125 cedis. 125. But a short while ago make I say menu say udi last week obetua 77 cedis in addition. Odi ase into obi ka say o renew otua say no e bia ma ka say 125 no ni parliament feel so and but e bia na the licenses ewu be last week ra and now say ewu more than 6 months. So say etisadia oba the delinquency charges no be add up to say ska makai and ampo no ites kra no obe ites 80 cedis and no nka 125 no into no that is the point. I think renewal sticker I think is 125 but so when renew no nasa ewu atwam then delinquency charges ba be ka ho and na ites 80 cedis Pajoti I say.
Okay.
You know sometimes yana reluctant. Normally we prefer to see the license. And some etimiam I catch say oh ubebo kase because my kase 125 fee. Obi be call anope obeka say yajimi abrusa. ABI is because they know ewu ache. Pajoti I say. So that's
question since we are me musa because me who say one answer. Ebu also I will choose not to ask, but obinso ebusa say more that so ye vehicle checks our moyadi.
Okasa vehicle checks are what I say. When I say vehicle inspection accident and I say for roadworthy purposes.
For roadworthy.
No, for roadworthy purposes there private garages.
Okay.
My dikenaka.
Okay. Way I think say we the mia kra menya answer no. Obi say or the eye test by manye, then I think it's not from approved place.
Most likely, but I didn't think the eye test report. No. So one say ABI is not from approved place, and now say the eye test report no say the eye test report no say ABI say or driving with lens, and now say ABI or problem with the eye. So I say or resolve this problem no. Okay. But all the eye test report back now say from accredited eye test facility. Why you
Obi say where is them kind of for now. What of heavy duty drivers can someone apply for straight licenses F and how much is it?
Okay, but I say Ghana your licensing system until the law is changed. The first license be either license A or B. Either license A or B. License B no Ojia after every 2 years. Of course, anybody can say already 25 years.
Yeah.
No apejama could C. After 2 years, o renew RIA, no apejama could D. After 2 years, o renew RIA, no apejama could F. One obeka sell person pejam. And you know, there's nothing like say Oba no abeji license F straight. No.
I think we should attempt to cause messages in the doors. Process and price for roadworthy.
So process is that all the car no ever call the nearest private vehicle test station a ben a woman team. Price would depend on the cubic capacity of the vehicle. Okay. So a car can see they are rated, yes. A Kia truck and as a Kia Rhino, a Bobitua and you know not Toyota Corolla Ebetua. And again, so Maka Abia Nipa on the road where you know, Abia Wache, Afin Oba, a which and Afin Oba, delinquency charge. Abia Nidiano, Ebewu next week, and no Sano, Obetua only the price, there's no delinquency charge attached to it. But again, I'm my church, Kia Rhino, a Bobitua, different from the Trotro Betua. Okay. VIP bus, a Bobitua, different from the Corolla Betua. Yeah.
Mami for few call 0548931931 0554931931 bit before course cause me some from bad bon fan me few course na that me fam ready me time no ekopa me say boss mo ba no say kwan no but owazo ti asedi me fa mami for two pe on na me for few ones cause hello good morning. Hello, good morning.
Fine morning, sir. Chief.
Boko, Udini baby Afrifi.
Your phone is
hello, sir. Oh, too bad. Too bad. Went to me. Yeah, so I'm friendly for fraud now. Hello. Memory, Miss Samu. Ofra, Miss So, already set in a benwa, a muffin say back at Miss Shawa, a back at tea. Ofra, now watching her through TV set and I say, and you have few course at me pese, mefa. Na messages in a repetition, Timan Kanye, Wapa, everyone so I answered that so I wouldn't have the privilege, say, Mebusa director and so on. But director head office no e we any mo sub stations no e mame fa last corner remember hello good morning Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Open you didn't baby free.
Pacho, make a subscription.
Okay, yentio.
My friend radio TV station, I'm here. DVL for.
Aye.
Okay. Pacho, na mi bisa my line is in kita C. And this month 10th. And 31st in the same co-renew in Pacho, and bisa make I say.
All right. Yo, Matthew, why would you tea? You better answer.
Matthew, me that say. Now, they make us say a cabo swim back on a bewa, ubetimi renew. But I see a woo on the 10th.
Yeah,
I feel no quack. So you can say a woo dabako toswa, a woo dabako tosu to 6 months. Ubet you are 77 cities. I can't renew our no.
77 for him.
I don't know what 77, but I was trying. Now say after 6 months to 1 year, there. It's can be called 152.
Okay.
Plus renewal, si can ankasanka a year 125.
Renewal anka say 125. Hey, now to on that way, I was
Ade account. It's the account say a cabo swim back on us. Exactly. Obetimi ayi 2 weeks. Obetimi ayi to okran say na date no. Aso.
Okay, come on to make my.
Yes. I can't 1 month. Road ready.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open your dinner, baby, free.
If I tell your friend, you said you can free a crowd.
Okay, me and you.
And now, all classes no Okoye be 2 years' time. Okoye may see. Oko DVL be more. Undu see kura another who be kura okata open ever because of scanty omobayama and also then our account.
Okay. Me that say question way me that na sepa and let me be frank with your team for near for. Yenye very careful. Yenye very careful. Even say ye me cry na wa ba me ho na me say me license F amount straighter.
From B to F.
And was say okay who say enya de papa and a me yama. Say yeah me kabino ka say so oba me whole office na me say ma misika from B to F. We be wa to say meti office. Wa be to say meti office DVL office meti computer echi a ID tag e da me koma me DVL staff intino say me ye sa papa
Sompa FM.
Mama Yashi. Send me a staff now say ID card. Because what I'm trying to tell you is they say I don't want to me person make us as more cano. Ebia enim. O say obia ni issue. But system I usually na Kwame. Obia service history e wo ho.
Okay.
Intende so obaye renewal a ewom. No say obaye upgrade na ewom. So what the license da. Ye behu. So what the license da. O license da na wo besesa na ye behu. So unni bi na obi ebo ni siremu e di number bi a hye na say e di bi a hye ma ye behu. Enti no nkofo aye sa agigi sa enyama na edru bebi a ebia insurance for say omope authentication and as embassy bi say mon check my ya na fe omo ho aka because you hear o service driver be say uji license B no endru uji license B no endru 1 year endru 2 years okay uji license B no endru 2 years na asesa ko F e ba ne sa na obviously we be say the license F na crowd no enye amfa through the process into no beka I am always o time aso na mame quickly mame fa kwanya we so na ministry in car for ni driver for any some of the transport unions asantime mu ha ye hu say cars ya register omo a eye private white number plate eboso amanfo e dey commercial e dey fa passengers agigiska emra ma ho kwan sa etiamra
white plate omo
dey fanko for in fact omo dey lodu kra efi hakọ techiman boase wasa kraponia akra
especially vox yabe
Toyota Hills so ka ho sianta ka ho enye vox nkwa me pacho me pese tie for ni ahwefo tie ase say sa car so ya register mo as private use and your commercial use in some cases insurance ni a private insurance inti sa utim na se BBC a untimi nya any insurance claim na sa for no last week you started exercise be near pese who the magnitude of and I say how widespread is the issue. May try a home report I'm penny for, but you ever kwan so fully.
Okay.
You ever kwan so fully to clamp down. And you ever kwako who and because share Ghana Tourism Authority former regional director many because it being so feel say we use white plate now for tourist sticker. And no man who quite a fancy skill na follow they be and yes sir Ghana tourism sticker no more mano ni use no a different a bia who run airport services and I say who travel and tour who travel and tour and now wait to me a use a but and yeah for commercial purposes you know car for ni for almost
but you have cover why we just do a check over. Okay, MCR, thank you so much. Tisarmo say the crack before 2 hours a day. Okay, sports for Nasi Mbapa the team now ready. Mrs. Miriam Opoku Buadi, Aisha Mohammed, a beautiful wife to Tiki. Happy birthday to you, Mrs. Yesheja Misha, and then Adam Emma. Yesheja Miso Fanfra Dumu Kwa Dumu. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your beautiful day, Mrs. Happy birthday to Ellen Ajankuma, level 200 student of Aguna SDA College of Education from Lama. Wishing you long life, good health, prosperity, and wisdom. Happy birthday, Ellen. Enjoy this day. Sansana, happy birthday to Isaac Kenchi Bimpe, level 100 student of Aguna SDA College of Education. Wishing you long life, good health, prosperity, and wisdom from Obeying Amankwa. Sir, today is your birthday. Enjoy. Sansana, happy birthday to Pastor Daniel Ousu. Pastor, yashe nyame so increase onwo sra no nyame mfa na dom no emun kam so koso a dey ejapa man. Happy birthday to you, Osofo. And happy birthday to Divina Minna. Divina, happy birthday, beautiful Divina. Today is a blissful day. Enjoy this wonderful day, beautiful one. Happy birthday. And happy birthday to Pastor Isaac Kopong of Mountain View Ghana Conference, Ministerial Secretary, Family Ministries, Apostle General. Papa, you say I'm sure Emma, you say I'm ne domau, nyame fanfra dumu kwa dum. Say happy birthday to you. And Papa, ni team na ready. Sumying.